Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bramsh Baluch. I'm the student of level 5 from green category. This is my model and project which I selected. It's about neuron. So first of all, let me tell you that why I selected this topic. Neurons are responsible for carrying different kind of information throughout the human body by using the electrical and chemical impulses. They allow them to coordinate all the necessary functions of the life. So for this, I thought I selected this topic. It's very much important for us. So what is neuron? Cells within the nervous system is called neuron. Neuron is the basic working unit of the brain. A specialized cell is designed to transmit information to other nerve cells, glial cell, and muscle cells. Nerve cells, neuron is also called nerve cells. The neuron is the basic working unit of the brain. Brain contains almost 100 million and 100 billion of neurons depending on the species. Neuron contains cytoplasm, mitochondria, and organelles. Organelle is basically subcellular structure. So now coming to the point of view that neuron contain three main branches: cell body, dendrites, and axon. What is cell body? Cell body is also called soma. Cell body contains one nucleus and cytoplasm. Nucleus controls the entire neuron, and cytoplasm is the thick solution. It fills up the cell and it is enclosed by the cell membrane. So, and it also gives many rises. Axon extends from the cell body and often give many rises to the other small kind of branches before ending to the nerve terminal. They are called nerve terminal. The work of the cell body is to keep and organize the cell functional. So now coming to the second branch. Second branch is dendrites. Dendrites extends from the neuron. Dendrites are covered with the synapses. Synapses are the contact point where one neuron communicates with another kind of neuron. So this is all about the communication system. So coming towards the third branch. Third branch is axons. Axons transfer signals to the other cells and organs. Axons are located in the center of the cell body and the nerve terminals. In the axon there are present cable. They are thicker than the human ear, but still they do not break because between them there are present nodes which protect them. When neuron receive and send any kind of signal, it transfers electrical impulses along with their axons. Axons are covered with a layer called Melvin sheath. Melvin sheath basically increases the speed of the signal, and this sheath is made by the specialized cell called glia. In the brain, the glia that make up the sheath in the nervous system is called Schwann cells. So that's mean in our brain contain 10 times more glia than the neurons. Glia perform different kinds of jobs, like glia hold the neuron in one place, transport nutrients to the brain, and also keep the cell functional, and it do lots of different kinds of jobs. So that's mean that neuron are the cells that make up the brain and the nervous system. They are the fundamental units of the send and receive signals, and which allow us to move our muscles, to feel the external world, to form the memories, and much more. This is all about the neuron. Thank you so much.